Hey guys, this is Funk You, and today we are at Mitibai College with the team of #Media Fest.
And these people are gonna prank a student. Let's see how does the students react to that.
Hi. Bye. Bye.
Excuse me, please leave. Leave that. Leave that. Hi, neighbor.
So everybody knows me. You don't know? Really?
I'm sorry, who are you actually?
I'm the one who handles pranking. My friend also working. Well.
So nice and young.
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
What did you have? Like Chinese.
Szechuan rice.
The food over here is nice. It's kind of oily, but in college much. It's like good. How are you having? Give me.
What happened?
Eating. One more. Sorry.
Actually, it's a prank. There's a camera over there.
So guys, hope you have liked this video.
And join the International Media Festival along with the team of Funk You on the 15th, 16th, 17th of Feb.
And also do follow their Facebook page. Link is in the description below. Also do like,
Comment.
Share.
and subscribe to Funk You.